All right, here is a side split intermediate combo. So let's go ahead and start in a mermaid spin. And if you notice, the top arm is not wrapped all the way so that she can bring the fabric in front and wrap her legs to bring the arm through for a climb. Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and do double egg beater wraps. And remember, if you guys need a reminder, a refresher on how to do these individual skills, go ahead and look at the previous videos that we have on our YouTube channel. Alrighty, so she went from split to cross back. And then she's going to take one leg off, side split it, and then slide down into lotus. Now remember, these are just combos that you can begin to put your own flair onto. Get fun with it, put some music with it, move how you move. Have fun. We will see you next week. And if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, go ahead and do that and ring that bell so that you're the first to get the notifications when we drop a new video. All right, we'll see you next week.